Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a quick and easy face painting tutorial, especially for boys. It is this dragon, and if you want to know how you can create it, please keep watching. The split cake Simone is using today for the face and the wing of the dragon is called Hawaiian Cocktail. It is one of the split cakes by Diamond FX, and as you can see, the combination is perfect for a dragon. So there was the face of the dragon, and here is the wing. And once those basic shapes are on the skin, we continue to a purple face paint. This one is purple by Superstar. It is called Imperial Purple, and it is just for some extra details. On to white, the white by Diamond FX to create the eye and the little nail on the end of the wing. Once those are on there, we continue to black for an outline. So you want to outline the face, but also the wing. Once that outline is on there, we continue to a few highlights. So we have a little stripe on the nose, a few dots, and also a few stripes on the wings. And finally a lipstick with the same Imperial Purple, and with that our dragon face paint with the Hawaiian Cocktail Split Cake by Diamond FX is done. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.